Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how Servlet is connecting with MySQL database. Okay. So here we are creating a database in MySQL using phpMyAdmin and also creating a table, inserting some records into the table. We will see all these things. And first we need to open exam control panel, and to start the MySQL server, first we need to start Apache server. I already started Apache server. Okay. And next one, start this MySQL server. When here MySQL server is works on the port number 3306. And how to open MySQL database? Just click on admin. You can observe the URL here. It is a localhost /php myadmin. This is the database, MySQL database. Okay, right. So left side you can able to see all these are the databases which are available in php myadmin. We can also create our own database. This GZ we already created, and test1 created, student is also created. Test1 is also created. Test already exists. If you want to create your own database, just click on databases, or we can also click on new. Okay, then here simply I can create one database name, maybe here 501 is my database name. Okay, and we can also create a table. Here table name is student. And create number of columns for the student database is student table is 3. Okay, click on go. It will ask, then the next page it will ask what are the column names. The column name here it is, first one name of the student, and its type is varchar of here maximum of 30 characters. And next one age of the student, then it is int, and the length here it is okay, how many characters you want. Okay, otherwise just use length as integer. Okay, and characters are not required. Let me try, and here marks, let's say marks, and it is also integer. Then click on save. Okay, yeah. By default its size is 11. Okay, right. You can also increase the size of the integer also. Here table is created. Table is created with these fields. And next one we need to insert some records into the table. So to insert the records, we can just click on insert tab. Okay. Here name of the student we can just give enter. It is AAA, and the age is, let's say 17, and marks are, let's say here it is 65. And if you want to use the second one, you can just use the second one also. Click on go, and you can easily observe here in 501 database student table. Click it here. So one record is inserted, right? In the same way we can insert any number of records. Just click on insert, and its name you can enter any name, and the age and the marks. Click on go. Okay. Now our aim is here to validate the user credentials. Validate the user credentials from HTML form, and you validate with the help of the table. So here I already created table in test1 database, and the table name is users. Just click on users. You can able to see what are the rows are there. Here 3 rows are there. Username is admin and password is 123456 like this. And I have created 3 records. Now we are going to validate with these database. Okay. Now let me close this one and go to, the program is already developed here in the exam. Go to C drive, exam, then Tomcat in web apps, Servlet program number 9. So what are the things required here? It is first one, index.html file, that is just for a login page. Just you can see here, this is the code for login page, and when the user clicks on submit button, it will go to validate URL pattern that is associated with the web.xml file. Now this is the web.xml file. Web.xml file, the URL pattern is validate and its class is login servlet, which I already created. And go to the classes. There is a class called login servlet. Open the login servlet. Open the login servlet. Yeah, this is the code. Login servlet extends HTTP servlet, and what are the packages required? You can just import all the packages and set the content type, get the string. Then this part is for reading the data from HTML form, and this is the actual code to connect with MySQL database, and this is the query. We need to execute it, and if it is matched, then it returns res.next is true. Okay, then we can just check login success or login failure. Okay, this is the code. Complete code is this. Right. Save it and close it, and just I do some modification here. Just go to the command prompt and type login servlet javac login servlet.java, and just I did only one modification. L must be make it as capital letter. Okay, class file is generated, and one more here, lib folder is required. In lib folder you can just place the MySQL connector files. 2 jar files are required here. You just place it here, and that's it. And now we are going to run it. You go to admin page, manager app, and the username is admin, password is password. To log into the manager app, select program number 9. Okay, and username is just I am typing username is ABC and the password is like XYZ, but here that is not available in our database. We have to get login failure. Okay, the database, the credentials are not available. Let's say here username is root and password is 123456, and also validate login failure because of root is also not available because we are using uppercase letter. Okay, let's try with the lowercase root and validate username is here. What is the password for the root? Okay, let's see here. Okay, open phpMyAdmin now and enter the credentials, localhost /phpMyAdmin. Okay, go to the test1, and in test1 there is a table called users. What are the credentials are there? Admin 123456. Okay, or root password. Now we can just try with admin, and password is 123456. Click on login. So this is login success, right? Hope you understand this. Thank you.